Hey guys, this is Raghav here from Headphone Zone. So today I have with me two products that literally just came in the mailbox from Astell&Kern a few minutes ago. This is the A&futura SE100 and the Billie Jean, a brand new IEM that Astell&Kern has made in collaboration with JH Audio. Both these products were announced by Astell&Kern a few weeks ago at the high-end show in Munich, and we're super excited to get them with us here today, and I thought we'd tell you all about them in this video. So Astell&Kern and JH Audio have been working together for many years now. You have the Siren series, which are a set of universal IEMs that Jerry made along with Astell&Kern, which have been insanely popular. The Billie Jean is their entry-level universal IEM that's just come out to rave reviews all around the world. This is the first two-way, two-balanced armature IEM from JH Audio, and it's got everybody talking about it. I'm a big fan of Jerry Harvey Audio. Most of you should already know that. And this is pretty much the most affordable and probably amongst the most impressive sounding entry-level IEMs that you can come to expect from Astell&Kern and Jerry Harvey Audio coming together. But the SE100, the A&futura SE100 as they call it, is a completely different ballgame. This is basically the product which Astell&Kern considers to be a super premium product. It's not the flagship, but it's certainly the most premium product in that price category. The A&futura SE100 is priced at almost 1,29,000 rupees, and it's considered a real game changer in that segment amongst high-res audio players. So we're going to start with the Billie Jean. The product itself kind of opens up into this window where you have the earphones and a carry case that's branded along with Astell&Kern. And if I open them up, you can see that they've got a really nice glossy red finish on it, along with a really nice coiled cable. User manuals, whole bunch of accessories, nothing worth its while over here to talk about, so I'm going to put this away. The SE100 and open this up from the packaging. Again, it comes with a sleeve, and there you go. You've got a beautiful Astell&Kern high-res audio player that sits in it, along with a cable. The player itself is right here, along with a sticker that I'm going to remove. All right, let me clean the space up, and we're going to have a quick talk about both these products. And we're back, but we've got this set up with us right here, and the Billie Jean looks absolutely gorgeous. What Jerry has done again with these IEMs is absolutely fabulous. It's a two-way, two-balanced armature drivers design that he's used. One specifically for the mids and the bass, gives the body to the sound, and one specifically for the highs. But there are a couple of small improvements that they've done with the Billie Jean that's different from all the other IEMs that they've had thus far. One is that the soundboard actually leads into an acoustic chamber, which is right at the edge of at the end of the earphone. This basically is supposed to smoothen out the highs as well as giving it a lot more dynamic range, which I think is a really nifty little design improvement that they've done. The other thing is that it's become a lot smaller. The Billie Jean itself is about 30% smaller as compared to the Michelle and the Michelle Limited, which was the previous entry-level IEM from Jerry Harvey Audio and Astell&Kern. So these are supposed to be a lot more comfortable to use, and they certainly look the part. The cables also have been improved quite a bit. They've gone with the Kevlar reinforcement for the cables themselves to make them extra durable so that you can use this for a long period of time without any fear of really damaging the cable. The cable uses a two-pin design, so you can swap these out very easily to get yourself some aftermarket balanced cables, which should make a big difference to the sound itself. The IEMs have been described as amongst the widest sounding IEMs in terms of its soundstage, so I can't wait to try them out. So these are priced at only 29,000 rupees here in India. So you should find that they're easily the most accessible and affordable IEMs to go for from Astell&Kern and Jerry Harvey Audio. Okay, let's put the Billie Jean aside and talk about the Astell&Kern A&futura SE100 that we have right here. This is the new premium high-res audio player from Astell&Kern. And it's got a lot of things that you would expect from an Astell&Kern player, certainly a flagship Astell&Kern player. This has got a beautiful aluminium design. It's all aluminium body. It's got a trapezoid figure, so you feel that it's a little odd to hold on to, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. It's got beautiful flowing lines along the side of the product. So this is easily one of the best designed players that I've seen from Astell&Kern. At the same time, you'll find that they've borrowed a lot of things from the flagship, the A& Ultima SP1000 in this player. For one, it's got a 5-inch screen, which makes it absolutely beautiful to look at. It's a nice big player to hold on to. It's got the same octa-core processor from the SP1000, so it's super smooth and super fast to use. I think that itself makes a big difference to the usability of a product, especially with super heavy high-resolution files that you may tend to load onto this. Now, what else does it have in common with the SP1000? It's got the same user interface, it's got the balanced output, it's got a USB-C type port that you can use to charge the player up. It comes with a micro SD slot and 128 GB of internal memory. So assuming you put a 400 GB micro SD slot into this, or micro SD card into this, you can go all the way up to 628 GB of memory, which I think is absolutely fabulous. Now, what it does different than most other Astell&Kern players until now is that it uses an ESS9038 Pro DAC. Now, this is the first time that Astell&Kern is using the ESS9038 Pro, and it's supposed to be an absolutely fabulous DAC that changes, the game for all DACs that are there in high-res audio players until now. It comes with 8 channels of output, so it's supposed to give you a level of detailing and resolution that you cannot find from any other DAC out there in the market. At the same time, the amp section has got a huge improvement. The balanced output gives you 4 volts RMS of output, while the unbalanced output gives you 2.1 volts of RMS output. Now, that's usually enough to even drive, reasonably demanding headphones and earphones, and as well as, being sensitive enough to be used with IEMs. So I think that the amp section as well as the ESS9038 Pro makes this probably one of the big game changers as far as high-res audio players goes in this segment. This product is priced at 1,29,000 rupees here in India, and it's nearly half the price of the SP1000, which is the flagship product from Astell&Kern. But in my mind, this probably would give you 90% of the performance of the SP1000 at half the price. So in terms of value for money, I can't think of a better product that Astell&Kern could have developed. I'm super excited to try these out. And of course, both these products are going to be available for home audition as a part of our home audition program on Headphone Zone. So I should hope that you guys would try these out as well and share with me your impressions. We're going to, of course, have these products available at the next Headphone Connect that we're going to have near you, so be sure to try them out. Thank you so much for watching this video with us, guys. See you until next time.